Scientists once believed complex tool-making belonged only to humans. But deep in the forests of New Caledonia, that idea falls apart. When food hides beyond reach, these crows don't rely on instinct alone. They innovate. Carefully selecting a twig, they sculpt it into a hooked instrument designed to reach deep inside tree bark. With precise movements, they extract hidden larvae that would otherwise remain untouched. This isn't random behavior, it's learned problem solving. A small brain achieving big intelligence. Proof that evolution has crafted more than one master toolmaker.